Wendy Vedic from Hoven Real Estate proudly presents 1628 Maeve Circle in sunny West Melbourne, Florida. This gorgeous 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has 1,902 square feet under air and 2,342 square feet under roof. It was built in 2006 and has been lovingly maintained. This home is in the exclusive gated subdivision Eastwood at Heritage Oaks. The neighborhood has a community pool where you can meet all the friendly neighbors. The modern open floor plan with vaulted ceilings is great for entertaining. There is a newer AC, hot water heater, and stainless steel microwave and dishwasher. All of this centrally located near I-95, shopping, employers, restaurants, and the beautiful beaches of Brevard County. Oh, did I mention it's in a great school district too? Virtual open house tours are available upon request, so you can have your questions answered in real time and get a closer look at anything that sparks your curiosity. The updated eat-in kitchen is the heart of the home. Cooking will be a joy with the large pantry, 42-inch maple cabinets with crown molding, modern stainless appliances, granite counters, and a breakfast bar. The spacious dining room has enough seating for even large gatherings. Bring the outdoors in with this cozy screen lanai. Can you imagine ending your day in this quiet master bedroom? The 5-piece master ensuite contains a massive garden tub to soak away your cares, and the walk-in closet is spacious and conveniently located right in the master bathroom. Call Wendy Vedic for your virtual tour at 321-872-7288.